should be able to see a Home Depot right across the way there. Nada. Let's turn on my flashers here. I don't have that far to go, so I'm gonna hope and pray. And like I said, this is what happens when you spill your gas can and there's a blizzard coming, or here, whatever this is. It's craziness. It's craziness, I tell you. Yeah, it's so cold right now that I don't know if you can see, but the inside of my windshield is freezing. That's how cold it is. And I literally have the heat cranked all the way up, and I was only in the store for like maybe a minute to pay for the gas and get some chips and some Coke. Oh, it's not so bad. However, I don't know if you can see up ahead, but there's a car actually coming, and it's a little bit nuts out here. And he's one of those people that just don't want to slow down and take their time, you know, because that's kind of important. It's kind of tricky up here because there's a little bridge here that ices over like crazy. Earlier when I came by here, it was like my car was sideways, and I was probably doing just about what I'm doing now, like 2 miles an hour. But I don't know. You know, growing up in Buffalo, New York, all these years, I mean, I don't know. When I was a kid, I used to, you know, it seemed like every weekend was this. You know, I mean, granted, I know it wasn't, but it seemed like past couple of years we just haven't had the snow like we did when I was a kid, and it seems like this year we're making up for it. You know, I know everybody's talking about global warming and whatnot and this and that. You know, I don't know. I just think it's one of those things. They were talking about that Antarctica has ice they can't even get through now, or something like that. And so I don't know. I don't know if there's truth or not truth to it or whatever, but I will say, I said, you know, these frigid temperatures are just brutal across the whole country. I can't believe, yep, here's the bridge right here. I just can't believe that it's like engulfing like almost the whole United States. You know, it's kind of like that movie, the Day After Tomorrow, where that huge